Then I cut and sanded 4 3-inch legs to put at the bottom of the cabinet and 2 1-inch rounds to make pulls for the cabinet. So I'm going to end up staining these with the same stain that I used on the doors of the cabinet. So you're going to take each of the rounds and you're going to measure to the center of each, and then you're going to pre-drill a hole part of the way through each of these. Then I'm going to measure and drill through 4 holes on the base of the cabinet for the legs to attach through. So I had originally planned to just swap the doors so that the cabinet pulls would be at the top. Since these are upper cabinets, they were down at the bottom. But then when I swapped them, it was about a 1/2 inch different. So I had to patch these holes at the bottom, and then I measured from the top and side and drilled a hole for the cabinet pulls up here.